What's going on? Sam and Susan here, 2 Up Journey Junkies. Going for a ride today. Really don't know where we're going. Just gonna head out. So it's a nice day. It's supposed to be high, I think 57, no rain. A little windy, but that'll be all right. So yeah. Got anything?
No, just ready to go. All bundled up, ready to go.
Yeah, so see ya. See you here in a little bit. Hey, so what's up? We're here at Columbia, Harley Davidson here in Columbia, South Carolina.
South Carolina?
Oh,
We're in Tennessee.
What's up? So we're at Columbia Harley Davidson here in Columbia, Tennessee. Checked out the dealership. It's pretty cool. Checked out the 2023 bikes. They got some STs in there. That's about it, though. They have a really big selection.
They did have the overalls I've been eyeing that are 75% off.
Must be break time for the construction crew. Whoa!
Whoa!
You get that on video?
That.
Demolition time. Oh my god. Jesus. Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna go find a place to eat here and go check out downtown Columbia, Tennessee. Yeah, did a little shopping.
I started to say that for the construction workers. I've been eyeing the overalls and they were 75% off, so I got them for like $30. So I'm super stoked.
So yeah, we're gonna go find something to eat. Anyway, demolition threw me off a little bit. We'll see you here pretty soon. What's up? So we had a good day of riding.
A little bit cold.
Yeah, it got chilly towards the end. I was hauling ass to get home.
Yeah, I was angry. He wants me to let's get some, record some video, and then I start to get the camera out, and he goes like 90, and I'm just like, yeah, right.
90. Somebody's gonna say that's not fast enough. Anyway, got some bikes coming right now, actually.
There's a bunch of them.
Yeah. Hey, there's a dude that we saw at the gas station. Anyway.
That was why the day was great. We didn't go very far. We met a lot of great people. And that's what's always great about riding.
Hell yeah. Met a firefighter out of Lebanon. So they came down to eat at Pucketts. That's where we ate today. It was pretty good. So yeah, met another guy, Mike Cimarelli. He was on a Fat Bob. It was a nice bike, really nice bike. But yeah, again, it was a little chilly coming home. So yeah, I want to give a shout out to GQ. Got Susan this hoodie for Christmas, so she's part of the Peace Army. So I'm gonna get a shout out to him, man. He puts down a lot of miles, so that's what we're about. Yeah, and hauled ass. It was a little faster than 90. So yeah, like, subscribe, and enjoy the journey.